Alrighty guys, we're here at the Exchange Building here in LaPorte, Indiana. And look what we have here. We got a brand new elevator here to ride. And it's a ThyssenKrupp. Yes, we're going down. Pretty nice cab. Look at the floor. I really like the vintage flooring, the 50s. Anyway, let's go down to the basement. Here we basement. Your ThyssenKrupp logo. Here in the basement. Alright, let's go up to 2. Here we are at the 2nd floor. As you can tell, which door is it? This door here. As you can tell, this is actually an old building. And it doesn't want to rain. But this is the old building. They just installed a new elevator in there. Here we are at the basement. Let's go back to 2. Pretty nice cab. And here we are too. Anyway, this indicator, ThyssenKrupp, it says MRL passenger hydro, installed in like 2020. Atoll buttons. Now we're going up to 1. That, folks, is 10 steps. Now let's walk to go up 6 steps. And we guess what? Up 6 steps. And right here is the MRL cabinet, as well as up there. Now we're going to be at 1. ThyssenKrupp, you did a pretty good job with the install here. In here we have 1. Area 1. And there it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.